If you've been watching the Upper St. Clair real estate market and thinking, this doesn't feel like the market we had a year or two ago, you're absolutely right. But here's the important part. It's not stalled, it's evolved. And the numbers tell that story very clearly. Right now, the median home price in Upper St. Clair is about $383,950. That's down modestly from last month and lower than where prices were this time last year. But price alone never tells the full story. Let's talk about inventory, because this is where things get interesting. Back in December, Upper St. Clair had roughly 105 homes on the market. Today, that number has dropped to about 92 active listings. That's a meaningful decline in a short period of time. So inventory is tightening, not expanding. Yet at the same time, homes are taking longer to sell. Average days on market is now around 91 days, up sharply from last month and slightly higher than a year ago. Compare that to the spring and summer markets we've seen in the past, when homes were moving in half that time. This combination, fewer homes for sale but longer selling timelines, is the clearest sign that we're in a very different phase of the market. Here's what's driving it. First, seasonality still matters, especially in Upper St. Clair. Winter always brings fewer new listings. Many sellers wait until spring, which naturally tightens inventory in December and January. But the buyers who stay active during this period tend to be serious and very selective. Second, buyers have leverage again. They're no longer rushing to beat other offers. They're comparing homes. They're watching price reductions, and they're willing to walk away if a home doesn't feel right for the price. That's why we're seeing days on market increase, even though inventory is lower. And there's another layer most people miss. The mix of homes selling is heavily influencing the median price. When fewer high-end or fully renovated homes sell in a given period, and more homes that need updates come to market, the median shifts downward. That doesn't mean Upper St. Clair suddenly became less valuable. It means buyers are paying for condition, location, and value, not potential. So what does this mean as we move forward? As we head deeper into the first quarter, especially late February and March, we should see inventory begin to rise again as more sellers enter the market. Buyers will have more choices. Competition will feel less frantic. But here's the key takeaway. Homes that are priced correctly, presented well, and truly move-in ready are still selling and selling well. The market hasn't gone cold, it's gone smart. If you're a seller, this is no longer a market where you can test a number and see what happens. Pricing and preparation matter more than ever. If you're a buyer, opportunity exists, but patience, timing, and local insight make all the difference. If you'd like help understanding what these numbers mean for your home or your plans in Upper St. Clair, I'd be happy to talk with you. I'm Sharon St. a luxury real estate agent with Hanna Real Estate Services. And if this update was helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more local market insights, and reach out anytime, because in a market like this, strategy isn't optional, it's everything.